Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So I hope all of you doing fine and everybody keep on practicing and keep on growing, right? So today's session we are going to discuss how to create a dashboard in Power BI. Like since long time, my students are requesting how to create a dashboard. Please let me know. So today, finally, we are going to create a dashboard in Power BI. So what is a dashboard? Basically, first of all, why we have to use a dashboard, how to create a dashboard, and what is the main perspective for creating a dashboard, right? So obviously in IT, whatever things you are doing, why you are doing, what is the advantage of this, right? When you are using and which situation you have to use, right? So dashboard basically can define dashboard like a quick at glance and monitoring the data, and you can visualize the data quickly and faster, right? Like very simple example, suppose you have a dashboard of like even car or any specific. So you just keep your important data, important stuff where you can access easily, right? So here in Power BI you can going to visualize the data with the help of the visualization tool. You are able to summarize your data, you are able to get your data insights quickly and faster with the help of the dashboard. So let's start guys. So first of all you have to make a heading. So here I've already load the data in data panel pizza says data. So I just want to start your dashboard from the small data set first. Okay, first of all you have to understand the structure of the data. So it is very important once you are creating a dashboard guys, first of all you have to understand the data, right? Once you understand the data, in that case you are able to do the analysis proper way, you can make your data insight proper way. So here I just want to create a small dashboard on the small data set. So first of all you have to understand like pizza cells dashboard. Okay, sorry, pizza cells. You have to take a center, you can bold, okay, and you can give the font color, background color as well. See, once you are given the headings here, the title of the dashboard, here your format text automated enable. Make sure like once I click outside, see here, it will disable. Did you see? Once I click on title section, it will enable. You can see. I will come to the effect and here I will choose the color. Here you can see the visual borders. You have to make it on. By default feature is off. You can make it on. From here you can see the visual borders, border color, whatever color you want you can choose. And here transparency of the color you can manage, like you want to make a not much light, shadow as well. Here border width you can also increase from here. So as you can see I took the black color, so black color coming out of the titles here. And shadow color you want, so you can apply shadow color as well. You can choose color as per your choice guys. Okay, suppose I took this color. Outside, so outside coming, inside, so inside coming, you can see. So this is where you can make your title. After then once you scroll, okay, you have to see the rest of the feature. I just take a heading. Now I'm going to take a visualization tool. You can see the chart features here. Like I previous video I've already discussed what is the difference between card, new card, multi-row card, table, matrix, slicer, new slicer, right? That one we already discussed, right? So here I'm just taking the like stack column chart. Stack column chart visualize the data in particular vertical way, right? So data is visualized clearly. Here you can see x-axis and y-axis. Any chart have axis, x-axis and y-axis. Even you can select the data, drag and drop here. Even you can click on here the checkbox. Like I take a pizza name and I took it price. Okay, it's loading now as you can see here. Just wait for a moment. Make sure once you take a chart, so in that case you have to, once you finish the first one, you have to click outside, so it will deselect. After then you have to choose the next one. Oh, pizza name should be, okay. As you can see, simple click on this focus mode. Focus mode means you can explore your chart. So you click on this. Here you can see the x-axis pizza name coming, y-axis pizza price coming. So suppose I want to see in the table form for this, guys. So simple right click on this and show as a table. Right click, show as a table. Okay, click on this. So you can see here pizza name and pizza price. So each of the pizza you can see the price here. Here you can see the small icon, small bullet, switch to vertical layout. Click on this. So see, this is more visible. You can see my chart is here, and besides of this I can get in the vertical mode as well. See, you can switch vertical to horizontal, horizontal to vertical. This is where you can switch for each of the chart, not only the column chart, as you wish. Again I just come to the back, see back to the report. Okay, clear. Next, here you can see table view. So in table view, like as I told you previous, before creating a dashboard, guys, first of all you should understand the data. So here we are going to do the data visualization with the help of the visualization tool. So first understand the data. Here you can see date, pizza name, categories, pizza code, price in USD, sales and unsold. So how many way you can analyze your data, like with the help of the date, like in which date which pizza sold, which category of the pizza, what is the code of the pizza, what is the price of the pizza, what is the sales of the pizza, sales amount and unsold. You get my point? Same way I can do with the pizza code as well, because pizza code and date going to be unique, right? So by date wise you can also check the sales values, by pizza code you also can check the sales values, right? So this is where you can going to do the analysis here. So again we come back to the report view. Now I want to take another one, like I want to take like I taught in next video, card, new card. I want to take a new card here. Okay, so see card always showing 1 2 3. I take a new card, click on this. Easily you can simple drag and drop where you want to place it, guys. You can see here. Now here I want like a sales unsold. Click on this. Okay, and I want to take a price as well. You can see here. Okay, so this is where you can take this. So this one only I'm just explaining a scratch label of the dashboard. Okay, after then we are going to do the formatting and layouts of the dashboard. After then we go to the like pie chart showing the data, pieces of data, pieces form of the data. I took a pie chart here. On pie chart I also took it here like a code and category. Pizza code and category. You can see category veg and non-veg. Veg showing blue color and non-veg showing the dark blue color. Another one I want to take it here like I take a donut chart here. Click on this, and on donut chart I want to take it like I took a date and unsold one. Okay, so you can see now here you can see all the chart connected to each other, all the tool and chart connected to each other here automated. Like very simple example, suppose I want to check the deluxe pizza, right? Once I click deluxe pizza, you see pizza name is deluxe, price of this $30. Second one pizza name double cheese, third one pizza name farmhouse, fourth one you can see Iago, fifth one margherita and price. So did you see, once you hover the cursor, you can see here, like I want to click on the deluxe pizza, click on this. So did you see here, deluxe pizza, so sum of the sales 194, sum of unsold 16, and sum of the price USD 30. This pizza, which category, as you can see highlighted here, is just showing in the non-veg category of the pizza. Did you see? And here, once you look at here, once you come to this, so in that scenario, you can see the date of here 2023, sum of unsold, and highlights. You can see. Okay. Now I want to check how many pizza are the non-veg categories. So simple click on this. I click on the non-veg. So you can see there are two pizza who belongs to non-veg categories, deluxe as well as Thiago. Now I want to check who pizza in the veg category. Click on this. So you can see double cheese, farmhouse, and margherita. These three are the three of them veg category pizza. So by clicking on the category, it will automatically going to highlight here. You don't need to do any connection, anything like in Excel. Once I taught you guys. So in Excel, once I taught you pivot table, once you're creating dashboard with the help of the pivot table. So in that case, we are doing the report connection in there, right? So in that case, it just take a lot of time to do the connection. But here in Power BI is not like this. Okay. So this is where you can do the analysis of this, like you can see, okay, any specific farmhouse pizza, you can see the sum of sales, sum of unsold, and sum of the price. So this is where you can do the analysis. Okay, even you can use the slicer here also. Date, you can take a date wise, you can also see the pizza. Suppose here I delete this, you simply select date. I just want to take a slicer here. Click on the slicer, and slicer I want to take a date, and I took it sales as well. You can see here the 1st Jan 2023, 2nd Jan. Suppose I click on the 1st Jan. So 1st Jan, which pizza is this, like farmhouse, which category? You can see veg category. So sum of the unsold how many? 23, and sum of the price 7, the USD. Suppose I want to click on the 5th of Jan 2023, you can see nothing. Suppose 4th of Jan, 3rd, any specific, I will get it here. You can do the right analysis here with the help of your dashboard. Okay. If you want to change the theme of this, suppose even you want to do the alignment, let me check my all the chart is aligned proper or not. So once you see over the cursor, you can see the red lines coming in the horizontal, align proper. Even I want to check vertical as well. See, proper alignment. Here also I want to check vertical as well. Proper. Once red signal showing here, the line, you can see proper alignment. Now I want to do the theme formatting here. Like I want to apply the theme on my dashboard. So simple, go to the view. View means you want to see some objects, and here you can see the themes option. Click on this, and here you can see guys, like there are a lot of predefined themes given here. You can choose for your dashboard here. Suppose I click on this, it's apply here, you can see. Okay, and rest of them there is a various kinds of theme, like suppose don't want to background color, that one you can also use. Click on this here. Okay, and again I want to choose here. So this is a predefined. Suppose you want to apply your own wallpaper, and rest of that one you can also apply here. Even see, normally if you don't want background color, only color on the specific chart, in that one you can also use. This also decent and professional look. Okay, so this is where you can go for this. Now I want to apply the wallpaper, like have you seen like once you didn't making the different dashboard, IPL match, COVID-19, Netflix, any specific, so they just want to background image for that dashboard. So that one is called wallpaper. In the wallpaper you can simply use it. So first of all we're going to download the wallpaper from the Google. You can open any browser and go to the browser, and after then you have to download this. So simple Google it, and I want to download here. Okay, let me connect the net. Just wait for a moment. Okay, so I simply go to the browser and Google it, pizza background wallpaper. Simple search it. Here you can see guys, pizza background wallpaper, there are a lot of them. Even you can simply click on the image, you will get lot of them, and simply you can choose any specific which one you want. As you can see here, suppose I click on this and right click on the image and simply click on the save as image. Right click on this, save as image. Okay, pizza background basic. I click on the desktop and save it. Anyone you can search which one you're looking for, like COVID-19. You can see you get for COVID-19 or any specific one, IPL match. Okay, you can see any specific you want, you can take it and use it. Now I go to the wallpaper option, look at the browse option, click on this, and after then go to the desktop and pizza background, simple open it. So you can see the pizza background applied. Okay, but you can see the pizza background not coming all the entire pages, right? So simple, what you have to do, you can see by default coming what, normal. You click on this fit. Once you click on the fit, it will just automatically going to cover up all the background. Okay, you can see fit, fill. Okay, so it will going to cover all, as you can see here. Okay, now just look at the option page view, like click on this, fit to page, fit to width, actual size. By default fit to page, fit to width. Click on this. So as you can see here, size change, size format, actual size, you can see, but fit to page is the best one by default. Next one is the mobile layout. It will show in the mobile form as well. Click on this and you have to click on the auto create. So your dashboard will be visible in the mobile phone also. You can scroll and you can access as well. You can see here, even suppose I click on the pizza Chiago, you can see do the proper analysis. Even you can see the date wise, you will get your proper analysis. Okay, so you can use the phone also, like deluxe. See, proper analysis, you will get it here also. Okay, again you have to click on this, it will come to the normal. Okay, so this is way if you go for any specific case, so you have to make sure which kinds of data is it. First of all, you have to do the analysis of the data, you have to collect the data, after then refine the data, examine the data, then finally you have to evaluate on the dashboard. Okay, I hope I clear all of you. So thank you so much. I hope this pizza idea is going to help you to make a dashboard, right? The pizza sales dashboard, we made it for today's session. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Okay, next video we are going to see the another dashboard.